Alright guys, today I'm going to show you how to change the battery for a 2018 Toyota Camry key fob, or if you have a similar key to this, it also works as well, okay? I believe it also works for Toyota Corolla 2015 and up. But anyway, if you have a 4-button key, looks similar to this, Toyota brand, it's also work. So let's go for it, okay? What you need is a flathead screwdriver or a flathead tool like I have here. And the battery is actually behind this compartment right here. You see this little outline here. The way you open this compartment is there's a little hole right here and the keychain. Put your flathead tool right there and turn it clockwise. If you turn it clockwise, it should open very easy, okay? And the battery itself is actually behind this little waterproof seal. Just take that out, okay? And if you look really close here, it has a little hole right there, and put your flathead tool in there, and the battery should, once you put that in, the battery pops out pretty easy. The battery itself is 2032 CR2032 and 3-volt battery. You can get that at any local store, Target, all that, okay? So put that back in. Once you change and of course you replace the new battery. Put that in and put back the seal and snap it back up, and you are done, okay? So there you go. So again, what you need is a flathead tool and pop that open right there, okay? So thanks for watching, and please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more video. Thank you. Bye now.